2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.